You're watching Real Weatherman. This is your tropical update. We now have two disturbances in the Atlantic. We have one off the coast of the Carolinas. It's being given a 20% chance of development by the National Hurricane Center. It's going to be moving towards the northeast, kind of away from the United States. And it's going to be just a little bit too far west, I think, of the Gulf Stream to really have much of a chance of development. The disturbance in the southern Gulf now has a 50% chance of development, and it's going to be moving towards the north more directly. Originally, we were looking at a track farther to the east. Now it looks like Texas and Louisiana, southwestern Louisiana to be exact, are going to be in the direct line of fire from the system, and the models back that up pretty well. In addition, the water temperatures are pretty supportive of development in the mid-80s down and around the Bay of Campeche, and in the northern Gulf in the low 80s. In the eastern Pacific, we have a new disturbance, an area of interest that has popped up, and this one could get interesting. So it's going to be moving towards the northwest, and should it slide into that little gulf, that Gulf of California, the waters are very warm in that part of the Pacific, contrary to the rest of the ocean. And if it happens to go right up through there, you could potentially have a very strong system, and it would be right there impacting the southwestern United States. So it is something interesting to watch. It would be very rare if that was to happen, but it isn't off the table. That disturbance that was right off the coast of Mexico has fizzled, at least the tropical part of it. However, it still could cause some problems, some heavy rain, some mudslides in that area of Mexico over the next few days. And then we have Tropical Storm Carlos now has 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds, and it's going to be moving very slowly towards the west and then towards the north. No threat to anyone. And then the Central Pacific is quiet, and that will do it for your tropical update. Please give the video a big thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.